Hello, this is Patrick White with your Wednesday, August 12th morning market update. Grain markets are mixed here to start this Wednesday at 7:35 a.m. We've got December corn down a quarter of a cent here at 323 and a quarter. November soybeans are down a quarter of a cent here as well at 873 and a quarter. December corn traded 3/4 of a cent away from unchanged here all night, basically 3/4 of a cent higher and 3/4 of a cent lower as the trade squares up positions ahead of the WASDE report out today at 11 a.m. Today, the trade is looking for yield at 180.5 bushels per acre, and that's up 2 bushels per acre versus last month at 178.5. They're expecting production here coming in at 15.174 billion bushels versus 15 billion bushels even last month. The new crop corn carryout, they're expecting 2.8 billion bushels, which is pretty good size, versus the 2.684 that we had 2.684 billion that we had printed here by the USDA last month. However, with a recent slide in prices, it leaves me wondering just how much of a bearish report is already priced in. I mean, lately corn has just been off a cliff. We're near contract lows. Are people leaning too far to the bearish side? And could there be a bullish reaction to the report today? We'll see what the USDA has to say out here at 11. So soybeans here are lightly lower as well this morning. Traders are keeping the trading range pretty tight here ahead of the WASDE report out today. Traders are expecting to see the soybean yield come in at 51.3 bushels to the acre versus 49.8 here last month. Expected USDA soybean production is at 4.254 billion bushels versus 4.135 last month. That's a difference of about 120 million bushels there. Expected new crop soybean carryout is 524 million bushels, and that would be up about 90 million bushels from 425 million last month, and that is a pretty decent sized carryout, although we have seen it a lot bigger here in recent years. But 524 million bushels is still pretty good size for a soybean supply. So traders will be watching to see if a hike in demand here for soybeans will offset the large yields here expected. My guess is that it cannot here in the early goings, but we'll see. Wait to see what the USDA has to say at 11, and I'll be sending the report results out here shortly after 11 o'clock here today. So that's all I've got for today, and remember that there is significant risk in trading futures and options, and it is not suitable for all investors. For more information on commodity markets, give us a call at 712-262-7606.